Want instant answers to any question using AI? Today I am going to show you exactly how to ask questions to Grok AI like a pro, get accurate answers, and even use images or files for better results. Stick around because by the end of this video you will be able to get smarter, faster and more efficient with Grok AI. First, launch the Grok AI app on your phone. If you haven't installed it, just grab it from Play Store or App Store. At the bottom of the phone, tap on Ask Anything field. Type in your questions, anything from simple queries to complex problems. Want to make it even smarter? You can attach files, photos, or anything by tapping the plus icon. This helps Grok understand your question better and gives you more accurate answers. When you are ready, hit search and let Grok work its magic. Within seconds, Grok will provide a clear, detailed answer. You can read it, copy it, or use it directly in your work or studies. And the best part, every answer is interactive, so you can ask follow-up questions and dive deeper without starting over. And that's it. Now you know how to ask questions to Grok AI efficiently and effectively. If you want more tutorials on Grok AI tips and tricks and hidden features, make sure to like, comment your questions, and subscribe.